good morning. In the previous class, we had completed the expression for the gravitational field intensity and the gravitational potential due to a solid spherical shape or due to the solid sphere. So in that we are taking case 4, that is first case is the at a point P outside the spherical shell. Second case is the at a point P on the sphere Case third at a point P inside the spherical shell, and case number 4 that is at the center of the sphere, at a point P at the center of the sphere. So all these 4 cases we have studied in the previous class. So in this class, depending on this expression, that is the gravitational potential at a point P for the case 4, for the all these 3 cases, or depending on the expression, that is the gravitational potential and the gravitational field intensity at a point P due to the solid spherical shell. So this is the one type of numerical we have to solve here, and this is the most important numerical according to exam view. So what is the gravitational force, earth gravitational force on a body of mass 10 kg on the earth surface? Okay, the numerical is what is the earth gravitational force on a body of mass 10 kg on the earth surface. So this is the one numerical, and depending on numerical there are 3 types of cases. First case, calculate the gravitational force on the same body if it is above the earth surface at a distance equal to the radius capital R of the earth from the surface. Second is the above the earth surface at a distance twice R from the earth surface. And third case, inside at a distance 3r/4 from the earth surface, and in bracket at the surface capital G is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. So this is the one type of numerical. So we have to solve by 4 types. That is, first is the simple. So first is the what is the earth gravitational force on the body. So on the surface of earth, on the surface of earth, okay, on the surface of earth we know that F is equals to minus G capital M small m divided by R square. So this is the simple formula on the surface of the earth. Okay, means F is equals to minus capital G capital M small m divided by R square. Okay, so we can write here minus m into capital G capital M divided by R square. Means, so this is the force. We know that force is equals to m into G. So this is the total value of G, that is minus m into G. Okay, according to Newton's second law, F is equals to m into A. That is, A is the acceleration due to gravity. So this G is also acceleration due to gravity, and we have the value at the surface. G is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. So therefore, on the surface of the earth, F is equals to minus G capital M small m divided by R square. According to Newton's second law, this F is equals to m into G. So this total value, take the constant, that is the G. So we have here, according to numerical, small m is equals to here 10 kg. So therefore m is equals to 10 kg in the given form. Okay. So therefore F is equals to, write this value, minus 10 into 9.8. Okay. So F is equals to minus 98 Newton. The force has the unit Newton. Okay, so this is the first calculation on the surface of the earth. Simple, F is equals to minus 98 Newton. Okay, so then for the case A, that is, first case is the above the earth surface at a distance equal to the radius R. So we draw here diagram. This is the center O, and here is the radius, that is capital R. Okay, and here the numerical is above the earth surface at a distance equal to radius r of the earth from the surface. So this mass 10 kg is situated here, means this is the r, and again the same distance, that is the r, and here the mass small m is situated. Okay. So for the second case A, above the earth surface at a distance r from the earth surface. Okay, so this is the first case at a distance capital R from the earth surface. So in that case we know that F is equals to, again formula, minus capital G capital M small m divided by R square. Okay, but here distance, here the distance capital R, but here the case at distance capital R from the center, total distance from the point M, so this total distance is the twice R, R plus R, that is twice R. So for that we are taking distance as the minus capital G capital M small m divided by twice R and again square. Okay, so by solving this twice R square, that is the 4R square, that is minus capital G capital M small m divided by 4R square. Okay, so then again writing this term, that is equals to minus small m by 4, 1 by 4 capital small m, and again in the bracket G capital M divided by R square. So this is again the constant, that is G. Okay, so is equals to minus 1 by 4 m into G. So by putting this value, we have small m is equals to minus 1 by 4 into 10 into 9.8. Okay, and after calculation, this 9.98 divided by 4, we have the value F is equals to minus, after calculation we get the value minus 24.5 Newton. So this is the calculation for the second term, first case, that is above the earth surface at a point a distance equal to the radius r from the earth surface. Okay, so this is the calculation. Then again next case, second case. So that is the B case. So B case, above the earth surface at a distance twice r from the earth surface. So this distance is the twice r, and the total is the twice r plus r, 3r. Okay, then again we have the value F is equals to minus G capital M small m divided by r square. Distance is the 3r square, that is minus G capital M small m divided by 3r square. So 3r square, that is the 9r square, that is minus G capital M small m divided by 9r square. Then again by adjusting this term, we get minus 1 by 9 by m by 9 into bracket capital G small m divided by r square. Okay, so this is nothing but the minus m by 9 into G. So is equals to minus 10 by 9 into 9.8. So after calculation we got, that is F is equals to, so 9.98 divided by 9. 98 divided by 9 we get minus 10.98 Newton. So this is the calculation, that is F for the second case, that is above the earth surface at a distance twice r from the earth surface. Then last case is the inside at distance 3r by 4 from the earth surface, that is inside the case. Okay, so for that So this is for the third term, that is C. We have the formula F is equals to minus G capital M small m divided by R square. So and the distance is 3 R by 4 inside the earth surface. So in that case, so distance is the 3 R by 4. Distance is the 3 R by 4 and we have the original distance as the R, means the diagram is like that. Means this point situated is in here, M, 10 kg. Okay, so we have the distance this much, that is R minus 3 R by 4. This is the distance. So after calculation we get this 4R minus 3R divided by 4. 4R minus 3R we get R by 4. So this is the distance we have to take in, R by 4. So we have calculation F is equals to distance is the R by 4. So therefore this is original distance R square and we have a distance R by 4. Okay. So inside the distance here we are taking distance as a R cube according to formula F is equals to minus G capital M small m divided by R cube. Because here the formula inside the surface, inside the distance we have the formula for the R cube. Okay, and the distance is again minus G capital M small m divided by R cube into distance R by 4. Here the value R by 4. So after calculation we get that is minus 1 by 4 small m and the bracket term capital G capital M and here R cancel, we get the R square, that is the G term. Okay, then again we get minus 1 by 4 M into G. So is equals to minus 1 by 4 into 10 into G. Okay, and this is the minus 1 by 4 into 10 into 9.8 and we get the value F for the third term inside at a distance 3R by 4. We get the value that is same minus 24.5 Newton. Okay, so this is the one type of numerical according to exam point of view. So by using this term we can change this radius and we can calculate another calculation. So that type of numerical can be asked for the expression due to the solid spherical shell. So in the next class we will see the gravitational self energy. Thank you.